Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to take a photo on your phone on Snapchat. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Snapchat app, open it, and after that, as you can see, you have like multiple filters that you can use on Snapchat app. And if you like any one of those like filters, or you can just click on that white circle, and like that you take already a photo, and you can send it to someone by clicking on send to on the bottom right of the screen, or you can just save it by clicking on the arrow on the bottom left of the screen. And you can save it to memories or to memories and camera roll to find it on your phone, and click on save. And like that, the picture is saved on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.